Welcome back to another video. Today we have the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yeah, we got lots of stuff to cover. 189 down from 199, so 40 volt blower from Ryobi. So we got a few OPE tools on new lower price. This is one of them. They only had one left. You got the backpack blower down to 229 from 259. 625 CFM, Whisper Series, Industry is Quiet. Alright, so they still got these deals. Buy one, get one free. I heard bad things about that backpack sprayer, that it leaks. Let me know down in the comment section if you heard anything like that or if you have it. What's your experience with that one? But I heard that that's a bad tool. Nobody wants it because of that. But anyways, you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, you get a free 5 amp hour battery, which is a nice deal. That blower is a killer deal. I do have it. That's an awesome tool. And then you got the kits here, and you get the 6 HO batteries with those kits. You got this one. It's a gas chainsaw, Echo. It's a really nice chainsaw, professional grade. Got a 4-cycle straight shaft trimmer, 224. So yeah, guys, no mixing on this one. Straight gas. All right, you got the box. The toolbox here is a 1598. Looks pretty nice. And you got the lid on the one of the lids is on the side. So maybe the lids separate. And you got some splitting, some axes. 36 bucks. And this is the clearance section, by the way. There's not a whole lot of stuff here. It's just mostly just random stuff. Alright, we got another backpack sprayer from DeWalt. This is 90 PSI. This is one of the newer ones out there that just got released a few months back. $279 for this one. Does come with the battery and a charger. It says variable flow. Multiple settings. So definitely check it out. I haven't heard anything bad about this one. Let me know if you guys have this one for you. It's a good for if you have a bigger property, if you do this professionally, like if you're a landscaper or pest control guy. So pretty interesting what they're doing here with these backpack sprayers. And then they got the Ryobi here. This is a cheaper one, but maybe for the DIY for the house. If you got a ranch or a big property, it's $159. It's a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. I've had a couple of these in the past, and they seem to be working fine. Got the most secure maximum comfort. This is a Milwaukee stabilizing shell knee pads, $44.97. These are very interesting how they designed them. It's pretty nice. So it does give you that upper leg support, as you guys do see there. So you can attach it to the top part and the bottom part. That way you get some nice support. Got the detail spray gun, symptom feed, siphon feed. $25 on for $49. You got this belt sander from Rigid, $139. So 3x18. Got an angle grinder, $91. You got some more knee pads, the 2-in-1 HDX 756, down from $997. Got an impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 300 foot-pounds of torque, $36, down from $44. Alright, you got some welders here. You got a 140 weld pack there, and then you got a 125 weld pack for $4.99. It's very interesting what they have here. I think it's a good brand. So they got this welding helmet. It says variable shade lens, auto darkening. So $81 on this one. I'm looking for a welding helmet. I'm thinking of getting something like this, or either like this, or going to Harbor Freight. But I don't know. I heard a lot of good things about the upper, the better ones from Harbor Freight. So we'll see what happens. And then you got the cheap one here. It's $39.97. And this one's not a barrel, like a auto dark. And you got some welding equipment here, so all kinds of stuff, including some gloves here for $16.77 and some for $28.77. Some nicer ones there. You got a clamp there, $6.97. Well, it's actually a magnetic clamp there. Alright, so we got some more welding stuff here. DeWalt metric tap and hex die set, 17 piece. It's a really nice set. Never used a set like this, but I was always wondering what, how these work. So $39.97 for this one. Alright, we got the Ryobi rotary toolkit. Seems like it comes with an extra battery. Or maybe it's just one battery. So $59.97 for this one. For smaller projects. Then we got this one. This one's the drywall screwdriver. 126 down from 179. And they got the angle grinders. They got some more angle grinders here. So $91 down from 129. And that's the way it looks like it. It looks like. It's a pretty nice looking tool. It says tool free guard design, 10,000 RPM. And you got this one. This one's like an extractor. DeWalt Max Impact 3/8 carbon steel. So it extracts bolts. 6 piece. Different sizes, and then you got an impact driver adapter. That's pretty much what they look like on the bottom. They do bite on the reverse, so they still got these deals. I'm not gonna go over all of them because I already went over them a lot in the past videos. So these are pretty good deals. $199 for the starter kit. That's the cheaper one. You do get a free tool. Obviously the hammer drill, the surge, the lights is a good one to get. Guess you got plenty of these, and they only got a few of these. $2.99 you get two 6 amp hour high output batteries. The rocket light's the best one to get. The vacuum, pretty much the rocket light and the vacuum are probably the ones that you want to get on this one. They only have a few of these in stock. So be sure to jump on your depot if you still have those tools available. Alright, we got the Makita. Same thing with the Makita. You buy this $249 kit. This is a 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw with two 5 amp hour batteries. You get a free select a free tool at the bottom. You get to select from the hammer drill to the left, the circular saw, this job site speaker. This one's really nice to get. So it is a Bluetooth speaker. Then you get a reciprocating saw. You can choose from this too. You can choose from this circular saw valued at $129. And then that's the kit that you have to buy there at the bottom for $249. And it does include already the 2 batteries and the dual port charger. And you can choose from this one too. This is the jigsaw pretty much. Then they got this Milwaukee fan. Milwaukee fan. So $79 for this 12 volts. This is one of the newer ones. And then this got this drain auger snake, which I was looking at, and you can connect a power head or like a power driver here, sold separately. But what's the use? Might as well just buy the snake, a powered snake. If you could be buying all those. They still got these, but not here at this store. They're sold out. But yeah, you buy that lamp or the flashlight for $79. You get a free portable power source and charger kit. Was a really good deal. They only have these in stock. Alright, so they got this for $149. This is a brushed, I believe. And the box seems like they kicked it. They played soccer with it. Or they threw it down the freeway or something. You may want to take that and take it to the customer service and get yourself a nice discount. They do got these in stock. I did not see them because I didn't go down there and looked at them so they should be having them at your Home Depots. They got the buy one get one free. So you buy that compressor, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. That compressor is $329. Alright, you got the pack outs here. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. I do have this pack out drawer. I love this, especially for the batteries. Even the 12 amp hour batteries fit on those drawers. And then this thing's really nice too. This is a big toolbox, the XL toolbox. It does come with an organizer on the inside. And then you got the workstation here, the top customizable workstation. Or yeah, so that's pretty nice. And they got the Ryobi buy one get one free, same thing. I'm not gonna go over all the tools, but this is a pretty good deal. You got 3 batteries, a 6, a 4, and a 2. In charger for $199, you get yourself a free tool. The chainsaws are a really good one to get. The impact wrench, the 1/2 inch impact wrench, that's a nice one. So definitely check it out. These are the batteries you have to buy. And same thing with this. They got the $399 kit. You get 2 free tools. Yes, guys, you guys heard right. 2 free tools. Or you can get the rigid $249 deal. You get 1 free tool. So you can choose from all the tools at the bottom. You got the Bluetooth radio. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw, the 2-pack of 4 amp hour battery, circular saw, oscillating tool, the caulk gun, sander, the multi-material saw, the reciprocating saw, the job site blower, and that folding panel light. That's a nice tool. You got the drywall cutout tool. So lots of good tools to choose from. And you got that one for $119. It's not really the best deal. Alright, so this is the kit that you have to buy. They only had one of these in stock, which is a really, really good deal. One of the better ones out there. Especially because you're getting that warranty. Alright, they got this deal here. So it's $149 for the 3-pack of Ryobi link system toolboxes. It's actually pretty decent. It's basically a step down from the Milwaukee pack out. What I noticed is that some of these boxes were made differently. The tires, I don't know if you guys can look at the tires, but these tires they are different. Not the rim itself, but the tire design itself. You guys look at, these are more roundish, and these are square. So I just thought I'd show you guys that. I don't know if there's been a change on those, or an upgrade or not. So I will definitely check out your store, see what what they have. $99. This is a cheaper version you can buy. This is a 2 4 amp hour batteries. $99, you get yourself a free tool. I'm not gonna go over all the tools, obviously, because we already went over them on the past videos. $149 at the clearance section, or at the clearance. This mower is pretty nice. They got this buy one get one free. Same thing with the DeWalt's. They have this 3 amp hour starter kit with the free tools, so you get to choose from the sander. Oh, that's the starter kit for $149. With the 3 amp hour with the 21700 cells, the better cells on that battery. And those are the tools that you can choose from, or the 2 impact driver drawer driver for $169. So some solid deals there. Same thing with Makita. They have another power tool combo kit, $399. Get yourself a free tool. You get to select from the reciprocating saw, a circular saw, oscillating tool, the X-Lock angle grinders. So that's a really good deal. Definitely check that one out. Alright, you got that's the same kit that they have, the 3-piece link system for $149. Or you can buy that $199 combo kit, get yourself a free toolbox there at the bottom. So that's pretty nice. Then they got this one on clearance. This one's a grill cleaning brush. So you guys could clean metal with this one. Obviously, grill is metal. So just thought I wanted to show you guys. You guys can put this on your impact driver or your drill. And these brushes seem to be almost like harder material. So just for metal cleaning. You don't want to clean your car with that. Got a dual bevel miter saw. $297 down from $329. Yeah, from Rigid. So it's pretty nice. Alright, more pack outs. Yes, guys, the store has pack out everywhere pretty much. around the store. So this is the tray here. Pretty interesting what they did with this. And then they got the bigger toolbox. This thing's huge. It was massive. It's $229. Remember, guys, they still got that deal. If you guys buy it over $200 and something, you guys could get a free crate. So you buy this too and get yourself a free crate. This thing's massive. So you guys got those big demolition hammers and big saws, cutting saws. So this is the toolbox for you. Then they do have some nice holes there at the top. I'll show you guys them right now. So you guys can mount your chargers or whatever you have to mount up there. You guys see them? So you guys can put some screws on those and mount your chargers. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.